Hi everybody, it's Miss Brino from Maryland Hall's ArtReach and Jóvenes Artistas. We are back again for another ArtReach challenge of the week. This week we are going back into nature. We are going to make nature paintings, specifically portraits. This is a fantastic project for anybody at any age. I did two different versions. One I did with my daughter. The other one I did all on my own and found a lot of joy just being outside in nature and creating. The first step is to walk around and just collect objects that you can find in nature. Flowers, sticks, leaves, anything. Start giving me eyes and a nose. When I created the nature portrait with my daughter, we used my shadow to create the outline of my face.
The eye?
Uh-huh. Give me another eye.
There's the other eye.
Give me a nose.
Where's the nose? What's the nose?
Anything you want. Give me a mouth. Ooh.
Look, a smile.
Yes. Okay, ready? Let's line up. Scoot over a little.
Look, Mom.
I also wanted to show you how you can take a little bit more time and create a more detailed nature portrait. I could have spent the entire afternoon outside doing these nature paintings. It's really interesting to see how the different textures of leaves and flowers and sticks go together. And it's just so peaceful to be outside in nature. Can't wait to see what everyone has created. This project is really fun because you can spend a lot of time on it and you can just keep creating and leave your artwork right outside for people to enjoy, and it's sustainable because it is created out of all found objects in nature. So please send me a picture of the artwork you've created at lbrino@mdhallarts.org, or you can post it here on our Facebook. Please share your creativity with members of your community. We all know the more we share, the more arts have the power to heal, inspire, and empower us. So until next week, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay creative. We'll see you next week. Where'd she come from?
You.
Me?